Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. It is the most important thing in this whole video, and then we can find the Play Store. Another important thing is that if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, that's okay, you will be able to follow my steps. If not, you really have to do it right now, so either sign in or log in, because without it you will not be able to use any stuff from the Google Play Store. If you want to check how to add the Google account to the device, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So after adding the account, simply tap on the circle and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to enter Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and in order to check the updates, simply tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, here we've got some apps which we can update, and basically if you want to, you can mark all of those apps and download them at the same moment. However, you can also mark like 1 or 2 different apps. And after that, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see right now, your device is downloading the apps, and after that the updates will be successfully and automatically installed, so you do not really have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait here. You can just go back and do whatever you want with your device. Everything will go in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.